Hey there friends, ready to dive into a magical adventure? My name is Miraycle Joyce. I study at SK St. Pius Longsan Ulu BARAM Sarawak. My school code is YCB 4302. Today, we are going to talk about the Nightingale, a story that's full of wonder and teaches us important things. In a kingdom of China, there was an emperor who loved beautiful stuff like gold and shiny jewels. One day, he heard the sweetest song from a nightingale in his palace garden. He wanted to hear more of the nightingale, so he sent his servant to find it in the forest. The nightingale turned out to be a plain-looking brown bird, but the emperor loved her song so much. The emperor kept her in a silver cage due to her lovely voice. But then, the emperor got a clockwork bird from the Emperor of Japan as a present. It couldn't sing as sweetly as the nightingale, but it sparkled with gold and shiny jewels. In an instant, the clockwork bird became the emperor's favorite, not because of the voice, but because of the shining feathers of the nightingale. But later, the shiny bird broke down and unable to sing songs. Missing the real nightingale, the emperor became sick. One day, the nightingale returned to the kingdom and sang to the emperor until he is better. Later, the emperor begs the nightingale to stay, but she still flown away. The emperor realized that the nightingale's song was much better because it came from the heart. Learn that real beauty doesn't come from shiny things, but from nature and kindness. At the end, the emperor planted a tree to remember the nightingale. And to his delight, two nightingales built a nest in it. It made the emperor the happiest man. Now, let's meet the characters from the story. There's the emperor, who is important figure, but sometimes doesn't see what's truly special in front of him. Then there's the little brown nightingale, a small bird with a big heart and the sweetest voice. Lastly, the shiny bird that met by people and a gift from the Emperor of Japan. Oh, and don't forget about the kind kitchen maid who helps the nightingale. As the stories go on, we learn important things about being ourselves, finding real beauty, and being kind to others. Even though the emperor has lots of fancy stuff, he learns that the simple song of the nightingale is the most beautiful. Hans Christian Andersen, the author, tells the story with beautiful words. He helps us imagine the big palace, the busy city, and the quiet forest where the nightingale sings. Lots of people have loved this story for a long time. They've made it into plays, movies, and even cartoons. It's a story that teaches us good things and makes us feel happy inside. For me, the nightingales remind us that true beauty comes from nature and from being nice to each other. It's a story that makes me smile and feel thankful for simple things. So, if you like stories about adventure, friendship, and learning what's important, you will love The Nightingale. It's a great book for kids and grown-ups to enjoy together. Thanks for listening. I hope you're excited to read The Nightingale and find out its magic for yourself. Happy reading, everyone!